Studio Toyota Supra MK5. Tone, deep, confident, cinematic. Pace, medium, dramatic pauses. Style, premium automotive storytelling. Imagine a car that doesn't just move forward, but pulls you into a feeling. This is the Toyota Supra MK5. Not just a sports car, not just a comeback, but a statement. For years, people said the Supra was gone forever. After the legendary MK4, the silence was long. Too long. Fans waited, doubted, argued. And then Toyota did something unexpected. They brought the name back. Not to live in the past, but to challenge the present. The first time you see the MK5, you understand immediately. This car was not designed to be polite. The long hood, the wide hips, the aggressive curves. Every line has tension. Every angle feels intentional. It looks fast, even when it's standing still. Under that sculpted hood lies the heart of the beast. The 3-liter inline-6 B58 engine. Smooth when you want it. Savage when you need it. Press the throttle, and the response is instant. 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds. But numbers don't tell the whole story. What matters is the feeling. That surge of torque. The rear wheels pushing. The sound building as the revs climb. This is a car that talks to you through motion. The Supra MK5 is rear-wheel drive, with near-perfect weight distribution. That means confidence in corners, precision in every turn. The steering is sharp, direct, alive. You don't fight this car. You work with it. Step inside, and the cabin feels tight, focused, purposeful. Low seating position. Controls angled toward the driver. No unnecessary drama. Everything is built around one idea. Connection. Yes, people love to talk about the BMW partnership. And yes, the engineering influence is real. But hear the truth. Toyota took proven performance, refined it, strengthened it, and wrapped it in Supra DNA. The result is a car that's reliable, tunable, and brutally capable. That's why the tuning community embraced it so quickly. More boost, more power, more personality. The MK5 Supra isn't trying to be the MK4. It doesn't need to. It exists for a new generation of drivers. People who value balance over chaos, control over ego, and precision over noise. This car rewards skill. It teaches respect. And when driven properly, it delivers one of the most engaging experiences on the road today. The Toyota Supra MK5 is not for everyone. It's not about comfort. It's not about practicality. It's about emotion. About the moment the road opens up. The engine breathes. And for a few seconds, nothing else matters. This is the Supra MK5. A legend reborn. Not to copy history, but to create its own.